this video, I will show you how to swap Solana for USDC on Phantom Wallet. So from your Phantom Wallet home tab, click on Swap. And at the top, you need to make sure that you have Solana selected. So go ahead and search for Solana, select it, and down below, select USDC. So type in USDC, and there you will see USDC all the way at the top. So select it, and right now enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer for USDC. So let's say we want to transfer everything we have. Then we're going to click on max, and now we will see the amount of USDC that we will receive. You can also select the provider in here. So this will determine how much fees you will be paying. So this one is via Phoenix and OKX, and the one down below is via Jupiter. So go ahead and select the one that suits your preferences best. You will also see the slippages and the fees. And after everything is okay, you can just click on swap now, and then you will finalize this swap. So it's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.